Are you a busy professional struggling to find time for meditation? Welcome to our enlightening journey into the realm of mindfulness. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, meditation serves as a sanctuary, offering myriad benefits such as stress reduction, enhanced focus, and enriched mental clarity. In the upcoming minutes, we'll be unveiling 5 potent meditation techniques meticulously designed for the high achievers among us. These techniques will serve as your personal toolkit, empowering you to incorporate meditation seamlessly into your busy schedule. First, we'll explore breath awareness, a technique that centers around the rhythm of your breath. Next, we'll delve into the body scan technique, followed by the loving kindness method. We'll then guide you through mantra meditation before finally immersing you in the world of guided visualization. Each of these techniques holds the potential to transform your life by bringing peace to your mind and productivity to your work. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these techniques in detail. The first technique is breath awareness. This simple yet powerful technique is all about bringing your attention to the breath. It's a cornerstone of mindfulness meditation that helps you stay grounded in the present moment. Imagine your breath as an anchor, holding you steady amidst the waves of thoughts and distractions. As you inhale, focus on the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and causing your abdomen to rise. As you exhale, pay attention to the feeling of the air leaving your body, the fall of your abdomen, and the sense of release that accompanies it. As you continue to breathe, you might notice that your mind starts to wander. That's perfectly normal. When it happens, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. It's this act of returning to the breath that trains your mind to become more focused and aware. Now let's take it a step further. Begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold your breath for a brief moment, then slowly exhale, releasing the air in a controlled manner. This deep breathing not only helps you stay present, but it also stimulates your body's relaxation response, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. The beauty of breath awareness is its simplicity. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're in a busy office, stuck in traffic, or waiting in line at the grocery store, you can always turn to your breath. The benefits of this technique are profound. Regular practice can increase your focus, reduce anxiety, and improve mental clarity. It gives you a tool to navigate through the chaos of everyday life with grace and tranquility. Remember, it's about focusing on your breath and allowing your mind to become still and present. It's not about achieving a certain state or suppressing thoughts. It's about observing and accepting the present moment as it is. With practice, you'll find that the peace and calm you seek is not somewhere out there, but within you, accessible through the simple act of mindful breathing. Moving on to the second technique, the body scan. This method is an excellent tool for tuning into your body and cultivating a heightened sense of bodily awareness, which can further enhance your mindfulness practice. Let's begin. Whether you're sitting at your desk or lying down at the end of a long day, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and bring your attention to the very top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently resting there. This light represents your focus. Now slowly, very slowly, start moving this light down, letting it illuminate each part of your body. Feel it passing over your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and down to your chin. Pay close attention to each area, noticing any sensations, any tension, or perhaps even a lack of sensation. Now let the light continue its journey, moving down your neck, your shoulders, all the way down your arms to the tips of your fingers. Continue to observe, to experience, to feel. Remember, there's no right or wrong sensation. This is not about judging or changing anything. It's about noticing, being aware, being present with your body. Allow the light to travel down your torso, your hips, your thighs, all the way down to your toes. As you do this, imagine any tension in your body melting away, released with each breath you take. By the end of this scan, you should have a comprehensive awareness of your body, from the tip of your head to the soles of your feet. This increased awareness can help you connect with your physical presence and the sensations that often go unnoticed in the hustle and bustle of daily life. So whenever you're feeling out of touch with your body, or when stress seems to be getting the better of you, remember this technique. Allow yourself the time to scan, to observe, and to let go. by scanning your body, you can release tension and achieve a state of relaxation. This simple yet powerful technique is a great way to bring mindfulness into your daily life, helping you stay grounded amidst the whirlwind of professional responsibilities. Next, we have the loving kindness technique. This meditation method is a powerful tool that can help cultivate a sense of compassion and love, not just for ourselves but for others as well. It's about fostering goodwill, kindness, and warmth towards everyone we encounter, even those we may have difficulties with. Here's how you can practice this technique. Start by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize someone you hold dear, perhaps a loved one or a close friend. Imagine them in your mind's eye, smiling and full of life. As you hold this image, silently repeat phrases of goodwill towards them, such as, "May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, and may you live with ease." Feel the warmth of these wishes spreading from your heart to theirs. As you continue to repeat these phrases, allow this feeling of unconditional love and kindness to fill your being. Now, gently bring your focus back to yourself and repeat the same phrases. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, and may I live with ease. Absorb these words, truly wishing these things for yourself. Gradually extend this circle of compassion to include other people in your life. Friends, colleagues, acquaintances, and yes, even those with whom you have disagreements or conflicts. Imagine each of them in turn, sending them your heartfelt wishes for happiness, health, safety, and ease. Over time, you can expand this circle even further to include all beings everywhere, without exception. This practice helps to foster a sense of universal love and compassion, breaking down barriers of us and them, and promoting a sense of shared humanity. The loving kindness technique allows you to spread positivity and compassion, starting with yourself and extending to others. It's a beautiful practice that can transform not just your meditation experience, but your daily interactions and overall perspective on life. Our fourth technique is mantra meditation. A mantra is a word or phrase that you silently repeat to yourself during meditation. You can choose a mantra that resonates with you, such as peace, calm, or even focus. The mantra serves as a tool to focus your mind and guide your attention away from distractions. To practice mantra meditation, find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, begin to silently repeat your chosen mantra in your mind. Try to match the rhythm of your mantra to your breath. For example, as you inhale, think "I am," and as you exhale, think "at peace." The beauty of mantra meditation is its simplicity. You can practice it anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or even on your commute. This technique is especially helpful for those who find their minds constantly racing with thoughts. By focusing on a single word or phrase, you're training your mind to stay present and ignore distractions. The benefits of mantra meditation are numerous. It can help reduce stress, improve focus, and increase mental clarity. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay grounded and balanced no matter how busy your day gets. Through mantra meditation, you can achieve a state of tranquility and focus. Finally, we have the guided visualization technique. This technique is an immersive experience that engages your senses to create a serene environment in your mind. It's like taking a mini vacation without leaving your seat. Start by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful setting. It could be a beach with gentle waves lapping on the shore, or a lush forest with birds singing in the trees, or any place that brings you peace. Pay attention to the details. What do you see around you? What sounds can you hear? Can you smell the salt air or the pine needles? Can you feel the warm sun on your skin or the cool breeze in your hair? Engage all your senses and let yourself be fully immersed in this tranquil experience. This technique not only provides a calming effect, but also fosters creativity and problem-solving skills. It helps you step back from the hustle and bustle of your daily life and gives you a fresh perspective. It's an oasis of calm in a busy world. Remember, consistency is key in meditation. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. So why not start now? Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and transport yourself to your peaceful place. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy meditating!